Ay, magandang gabi po. Ako po si Morena.
Good evening, si Eric. Kain tayo.
Kanina pa tayo. Malamig na yung kain natin.
Kasi nagkaroon tayo ng konting technical problem. Kaya,
Okay naman yun, itlog mo ah.
sorry.
Hindi maalat.
Didn't do that well.
Teka muna, ang pinag-uusapan natin?
Kanina, sabi mo burnout ka na.
It's not burnout. I am the right word. I've been doing massage therapy for 6 years now. Okay. I'm only working 3 days a week, 6 hours a day. Because this kind of career is not for a long-term kind of career. There are certain point in your life na sabi mo na ayoko na. Ganon.
Pero ilang years ka pa lang dyan?
6 years now.
Okay. Kasi physical tiring siya, no?
Exhausting.
Exhausting.
Another thing is like, most of my clients, there's 2 different kinds of massage. Meron kami. A Swedish massage is for people who just want to relax. Pero ang Swedish doesn't have pressure.
Mas prefer mo yun? Swedish?
Of course, mas prepare namin yun kasi
Hindi ka masyadong mapapagod.
hindi masyadong mapapagod, wala masyadong pressure. Pero if the client asks for firmer pressure, you have to give it the firmer pressure. But if they're asking for deeper pressure, which is sometimes we're using our forearm, my knuckles, my fist, everything, my forearm, my elbow, that's deep. And that's a different rate yon.
Okay.
That's a different rate
Medyo sunog yung
for us.
Yung kabilang side.
It's interesting today. I had this client. He was blind. He was blind.
Puti?
No, I think he's Korean. He's Asian. He was blind and the only thing he enjoys is he said like the massage because he couldn't enjoy any more traveling.
Oh, yeah. Oh, so sa kanya, yun yung pinakalo niya.
Oo. So, massage is one of his favorite thing kasi nga, one of his sense
Oo nga.
is no longer functioning. But, come to think of it,
Yung touch, no?
oo. Come to think of it, yung other 4 ilan ba senses natin?
5 sentences?
Eyes, ears, feelings, ano pa?
So sa feelings, yun yung touch, no? Eyes, ears.
Smell, 4.
Yeah.
Ano pa isa? May isa pa.
Comment kayo below kung ano pa yung other.
Nakalimutan namin yung ano. While the session is ongoing, most of the time he talks. Kinukwento niya yung mga bagay-bagay na miss niya na may mata pa siya. Itong massage is also a therapy for other people. And also, in a way, therapy na rin sa amin because sometimes we touch the inner part of their being. We're not only physically healing them. We're not only physically heal them, but also internally. Do you get me? Kaya nga lagi ko nga sinasabi na massage is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Because your body is communicating with us while we're doing the massage. And another thing pa is like, when you when you touch someone, sometimes they feel different kasi na ano mo yung flow ng blood nila eh. Na na-enhance mo ang flow ng blood. Saka yung lahat ng liquid sa body mo na na-enhance namin through massage. So, yun ang maganda lang sa massage. Kaya, do not underestimate na gumastos. Wag kayong magtipid na, wag kayong manghinayang gumastos sa massage kasi, number one,
Sarap yung pakiramdam pag ako massage.
I know, number one, masarap ang pakiramdam after. Number two, hindi po madali para sa mga therapist yan. Hindi po madali. This is the thing about the massage. We as a therapist, what they call this, we give our energy to them.
Makukuha yung energy mo.
It's like a transfer of energy from one person to another. Kaya pagkatapos ng session, sometimes pagod na pagod ka. Yeah.
Pag gusto mo na kumain na lang.
Exactly.
Wala ba tayo magdala ka ng ang snacks mo para in case.
Inis na inis ako pag hindi nagtitip. Sabihin sa'yo, oh, I like your massage, I feel so good, blah, blah, blah.
Mas walang tip.
Tapos pagka, when you look it up, hindi naman, meron kasi kami autograd, autogratuity. But, maliit lang yun. Kasi they have to share it with the other stuff, like the front desk, yung sa mga nagpe-prepare ng mga towels, mga ganun, mga attendant, yung attendant.
Kasama din pala sila.
Kaya aside from the salary na nakuha nila, meron silang nakukuhang, ang tawag that, service charge.
So, anong nasasabi mo dyan sa mga gustong massage? Gawing karirang massage. Massage.
Well, this is the thing about doing massage. There's a different kind of avenues in massage kasi kami every 2 years ang license namin dito sa Las Vegas. You have to, when you renew your license, you need 24 units. CE. We call it continuing educations. We need 24 units.
Nag-aaral ka pa rin after
Yes.
training yun.
Yeah. So you, for example, you have to get the reflexology. The reflexology, when you study reflexology, it takes siguro, for example, 16 units. Ibig sabihin na 16 units, you have to study that for 2 days. Because 8 hours. So that's 16 units. We need 24. So, yun. So, kung gusto mo i-master a certain kind of massage, for example, kasi, ito another thing. For male therapists, they are very marginalized in this kind of career. Pero kung magma-master ka ng isang field sa massage therapy, and that's the best advice for you. For example, sports massage. Kung ma-master mo yan, you will be working mostly for the people who are in the sports field. And most likely, lalaki ang kinukuha nila dyan.
Kasi siguro
kasi malalaki. Malalaki sila. And also in a spa setting, client has an option between male therapies and female therapies. And 80%,
pero mas gusto yata
80% of the client,
sa massage mo.
80% of the client took female therapist.
Okay.
But like I've said, there's a different kind of avenues in this kind of career. Pero kung ikaw, papasok ka, at kung talagang super galing ka, hahanapin ka
May
talaga.
lalaki.
Kahit lalaki, basta magaling ka.
Oo. Kahit naman saan niya ka-fit.
Oo. Basta if you just master isa sa mga field ng na massage therapy, marami eh. Marami kang makukuhang ano. Marami kasi kami tinatawag diyan ng mga yung hot stone. Pwede rin mo hot stone, reflexology,
Ano yung hot stone?
shots. Eh di
Mainit ang bato.
mainit na bato lalagay sa likod mo.
Oo.
Well, that's only an enhancement. We call it enhancement. We don't usually call it. For me, it doesn't help, but it only helps to reduce the. If you have some pains in your body, it just only helps to reduce the pain in certain part of your body. Kasi, for example, masakit ang mostly ang mga kino-complain ng tao is yung balikat nila, yung neck nila. So,
Ito, isang araw pa, diba?
I know. So, most likely, doon kami nagko-concentrate, doon namin nilalagay yung hot stone to soften the muscle tissues, and also we can get in deeper so that we can penetrate the muscles and then doing the work. Interesting din maging massage therapies because I also build up some friends, especially I did some celebrities also.
Oo, nakapag-masaya.
I did ay saka yung mga athletes, yung mga athletes dito na naman naka-base sa Vegas, madami na rin. Yeah, but yeah, that's it. Ikaw may tanong ka?
Kasi nagaling tayo sa burnout. Na parang burnout ang dating eh. Kasi nga, physically straining siya.
Yeah.
Physically exhausting. So, yun. Kaya nga ginagawa mo lang siya 3 times a week. 3 days a week eh, no? Pero kung iaan mo siya, i-full time mo talaga, lalo na siguro, di ba? Pero, depende na sa iyo yun eh. Parang hindi nila masyadong kailangan ng pera eh. Kaya ganun lang ang sa week mo. Ganun lang na-spend mo sa trabaho mo.
Because I'm not chasing the money
Anymore.
I'm chasing my happiness. Because in life, katulad ng sabi ko sa'yo, if you chase the money, mabiburn out ka talaga. But if you know how to slow down, if you know the word enough is enough, or the word contentment, you'll be able to know when to stop. Kasi we're not programmed to work. We're programmed to enjoy our life. Because the reason why we're here in the world, we're just here temporarily. We're not here permanently.
Pero ang pagtatrabaho kasi, makakapag-earn ka ng money, and yun yung means para magawa mo yung gusto mo, which will make you happy, diba?
I know.
So, kasama siya. Diba? Kasama siya na kailangan magtrabaho ka, para may magastos ka. Travel, diba? Ganyan.
I know, but the thing is like, how can you simplify your life, and how can you define the word enough is enough? Because sometimes people, they don't even know the meaning of when enough is enough. They want more and more.
Pagka nakarating ka na dun sa parang they strive for more pa, no?
Yeah.
Kahit sabihin successful na.
They want more. They want more. Kaya you really have to learn how to stop. Parang stoplight lang yan. When you reach a red light, you have to learn how to stop. When you reach the the yellow flashing, you have to be cautious. Yeah, you have to be cautious. Kasi it means like your body is giving you a signal that you have to be cautious. And when it turns green, and that's the time you have to go.
Mhm.
You know what I'm saying? So, try to understand and read your body and do not underestimate the signs that your body are giving you.
Yeah.
Because if your body can only talk to you, he will tell you, hey, you have to learn how to stop. I'm not a robot.
Mhm. Robot na, binibigay din
I know.
mga makina.
Yeah, they need to be charged in order for them to move on again.
Mhm.
Well, that's the lesson for the day.
Yeah.
Kain muna ako,
Kahit ka muna.
And then,
Nakakain eh.
wait for
Well,
our
next
next
time,
vlog.
You learn how to eat while you're talking. Mahirap gawin. Sabihin
Magbabalik po kami.
Okay.
Magbabalik po kami.
Bye guys.
Salamat po.
See you next
Good night.
time.